Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. Today is Monday, 21st December 2020. It's our maths period. Okay, let's start our oral drill. Okay, firstly we will revise topic of shapes. Which shape is this? Here is a circle. Which shape is this? Here is a circle. Revise spelling of circle with me. C-I-R, sir. C-L-E, cull. Circle. Again. C-I-R, sir. C-L-E, cull. Circle. Okay, which shape is this? Here is a square. Here is a square. Square has four equal sides. Learn spelling of square with me. S-Q-U-A-R-E. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Okay, revise another shape. Which shape is this? Here is a triangle which has three corners. Here is a triangle. Triangle. Girl. Triangle. Okay, learn again. Triangle. Girl. Triangle. Look around you and find some triangles, or you also make triangle with pencils. Which shape is this? Here is a rectangle. Here is a rectangle. Today we will write spelling of rectangle. First of all, you will learn with me. R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-N-G-L-E, girl, rectangle. R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-N-G-L-E, girl, rectangle. Again, R-E-C-T, rect, A-N-N-G-L-E, girl, rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's do oral drill of backward counting. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let's move towards number in words. N-E-1-T-W-O-2 T-H-R-E-E-3 F-O-U-R-4 F-I-V-E-5 S-I-X-6 S-E-V-E-N-7 E-I-G-H-T-8 N-I-N-E-9 T-E-N-10 E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Okay, beta, do this drill on daily basis. Let's move towards our copy work. Okay, first of all, we will start date writing. M-O-N. Your letters must touch to this line. M-O-N. DAY day, Monday, comma, 21st December, write short small s and t, December DED, SEM, make small hook of M, BR, December, comma, 2020. Today our topic is shapes. We will write spelling of rectangle. Start writing R E. May write in center 2 lines REC. Write small t in upper 3 lines. Make a loop of T. A, small a, make small hook of A. Write in center 2 lines. N, and also write in center 2 lines. Make small hook of N. G, write in lower 3 lines. L, write in upper 3 lines. E, RECT, rect, ANN, GLE, girl. You will write same like this on this complete page. After doing this, I am telling you sentence of the week and manners of the week. You will must respect to your elders, your parents, your grandparents. And if you have done any mistake or misbehave with them, then say sorry to her or him, to their grandparents and parents, your elders, and you will say like this: I will never do this again. Again say, sorry, I will never do this again. Thank you, beta.